Hello, thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be doing wash and go. I have this wash and go here, you see? It's looking so cute, right? Oh, let me turn back so that you can see this look. It's time for me to enjoy my fussy hair. I've been putting my hair all time inside protective style, but it's time. The weather here is going to be nice and I can't wait to rock it with my wash and go. You know, I don't understand why you guys don't want to enjoy your fussy hair. For me, I'm enjoying mine. So today's video I'll be doing wash and go using this 𝐒𝐴𝐸 gel. I bought it for a long time, but I've not tried. For me, I use it in defining my son's hair, but for me, I have never used it on me. So I'm going to try it today for my hair, see how it works out. And yeah, guys, before we start with this video, have you subscribed? Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? So I'm going to list all the products used in this video for you guys to check it out if you want to go and try it out. Okay, so let's go straight and start this video. So this is my hair after I've washed and conditioner. What I'm just going to do is to apply my leave-in. I have many leave-in, but this is the only one that works together with my 𝐒𝐴𝐸 gel. For most of you who have not done wash and go, you'll be wondering, how does leave-in work together with gel? It's just so simple. You take your leave-in like this in your hand, top your gel on it, rub it, and if it doesn't have any crumbs inside, doesn't have any seed, looks smooth, then your gel and your leave-in work together. I'm going to show you that now shortly. So now we have enough of leave-in conditioner in our hair. You always want to start your wash and go with a very wet hair. So let me show you how to make that test. Here is your leave-in conditioner. Here is your gel. And if your hands look like this, your gel work together with your leave-in. So I'm just going to take my hair part some of my hair out. This is the only thing that is remaining inside this gel. For me myself, I have never tried it on my hair before, but I do use it on my son. So today I'll be trying it on my own hair to see how well it works with my own fussy hair and how it can define my hair. A lot of people say good things about this 𝐒𝐴𝐸, but for me myself, I've never tried. I'm going to give it a try now. So first I'm going to start with tanning my hair. Work it well. Add more water. More gel. It's not defined enough. You want to apply also more from your root and follow it to your end. Make sure you work it in. If possible, always add more water. My hair and the gel together just feel so thick. I just hope that this style came out looking good. I just hope so. I have been carrying my hair in protective style for long and I just feel like rocking my own natural hair just to enjoy it at least for once. No. This is not good at all. I guess I have to detangle my hair here more. I'm going to add a bit of leaf in there and soak it with more water. Wash and go is best doing in the shower. Not this place. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just sitting down here to do wash and go, but it's best doing it in the shower. And don't squeeze your hair. If you squeeze your hair, the water is going to come out. So you just massage it inside with your fingers, just the way I'm doing right now. Oh God, every time I make smaller section, it works much better than with the bigger ones. Look at that. Oh God. In fact, I'm enjoying working on this hair now. Let me come close. Wow. It looks so good. It feels so soft. I'm going to add more water again. Detangle. Go back again with my brush. So I'm going to add more water again and more gel. Some places like here, when my hair is not well defined, I still use my fingers to define it the way I want. Just use my finger for the coils and let them fall. Wash and go is a very easy hairstyle to make. Every one of you can do it if you want to. Oh, wash and go on fussy hair. It's not just like every other hair type. It's not easy like every other hair type. But no reason for any excuse. We are going to rock our hair. It doesn't matter what kind of hair type we have. You have, I have. You should always learn how to enjoy your hair like I'm trying to do now. I don't know the reason why anyone with fussy hair will say, oh, my hair is not nice. My fussy hair is so beautiful. I'm loving it. I love it. You can do anything you want to do with this hair, with this hair type. Girl, you should be proud. So I'm finished. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply my mousse, shake my hair and let it fall in the direction where I want the hair to fall, and then come back to show you my result. So this is my hair dried about 80%. Look at my hairstyle. Let me come close. Look at this close. Look how defined and beautiful my hair is looking like. I love this wash and go. This is my best wash and go ever. I love it. Look at those coils. You can still see some white because my hair is not that dried. It's dried about 80%, okay? I still have a long day to go. That's mean my hair will dry before night. Oh, I love it so much. It's so soft and beautiful. So you see, you can enjoy your fussy hair. You can do nice things like this with your fussy hair. You can rock it and enjoy it. I'm loving mine right now, and this style is going to last me like a whole week. So here I have this spray. I bought it in DM. This product is so good. They are not that expensive, cost less than €2. It's also hairspray to hold your coils. So I'm going to spray it to give me shine and hold. Smell also very good. I use most of their products, even their shampoo, for taking my bath. It feels so good. They are all natural. That's why I love them. So I'm just going to use my pick and fluff my hair. Just pick it to give me more volume, to give me that bigger look. Like I said, my hair is still just like 80% dry. Let me turn back so that you guys can see my back. You tried? if you want, you can use gel to do all of this, but I'm not going anywhere, so I don't need all of that. All of this is just for you guys, you know, just for you guys. So by the time this hair is fully dry, you're gonna love it. So this Eco Styler gel works so well on my hair. My coils are looking so good. I'm going to be using it again and again for my wash and go. It's nice trying it. It came out looking so well. So guys, this is the end of this video. Please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe for more. Okay, like and share this video to all your friends and family. You know, we want to grow. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by. Bye.